Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel and find the toggle, which for me it's right over here. And once you find it, you can hold it. This quickly takes you to the settings, so it gives you here option to turn it on right at the top and also provides you with a password, but you can tap on the edit button and change the settings. So number one, we have the network name. This is going to be the Wi-Fi network that it's going to create, and it will have this name unless you change it. Then below that we have the password, and as you've seen, it was just some randomly generated password, so I'm going to select it, remove this one and set my own. It does need to have 8 characters in length. There we go. And from there you can scroll a little bit further down, tap on the show password just to make sure you typed it in correctly, and also the advanced. Let's see what we got in here. Basically nothing. So let's select save, and there we go. There is our new password, and all I need to do now to use it is either turn it on from here or by tapping on the toggle itself in the notification panel. As you can see, it's now turned on. And again, once you're done with it, do make sure you remember to turn it off, because this feature does consume more battery on your device. And if you're not using it, you will be losing battery for basically no reason. So to turn it off once more, simply find the toggle, tap on it, and there we go, it's now off. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.